Good morning to children. In previous class completed 5 problems. Now we are going to the 6th problem. In class 40 pupils, the number of girls in 3/5 of the number of boys. Find the number of boys in the class. In class 40 pupils. Okay, total class number 40 members. The number of girls is 3/5 of the number of boys. Find the number of boys in the class. Find the number of boys in the class. Solution. Seema, we don't know number of boys. So, let the number of boys. Let the number of boys equal x. Okay. Number of girls equal to 3/5. 3/5 of boys equal 3/5 means 3/5 into boys x. 3/5x. 3/5x. Okay. Number of pupils in a class equal to 40. Number of pupils in a class means boys and girls. Now boys x plus girls 3x by 5 equal to 40. Okay, LCM 5. 5x plus 3x equal to 40. 5x plus 3x. 8x by 5 equal to 40. 8x by 5 equal to 40. Now 8x equal 40 into 5. 40 into 5. Now x equal 40 into 5 by 8. 40 into 5 by 8. 8 ones are 8 5s are 5 5s are 25. Now x equal to 25. Therefore x means what ma? Number of boys. Therefore number of boys equal to 25. Number of girls equal 3/5 into 25. 5 ones, 5 5s. 3 5s are 15. We are asking only number of boys. Okay, once again Seema, let the number of boys x, number of girls 3/5 of boys. 3/5 into x. 3/5x. Number of pupils in a class 40. X plus 3x by 5 equal 40. 8x by 5 equal 40. 8x equal to 40 into 5. X equal 40 into 5 by 8. 8 ones, 8 5s. X equal 25. Number of boys equal 25. Number of girls equal to 15. This is the 6th problem. Okay, next problem, 7th problem. See, after 15 years, Mary's age. After 15 years, Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. Will be 4 times of her present age. Find her present age. We don't know present age, ma. Let Mary's present age. Solution. Let Mary's present age equal to, let Mary's present age x years. X years. After 15 years, Mary's age. After 15 years, Mary's age equal 4 times of her present age. 4 times of her present age. 4 times of her present age. After 15 years means x plus 15. X plus 15 equal 4 times present age means 4 into x. X plus 15 equal 4 into x, 4x. Okay. Plus 4x transposing RHS to LHS minus 4x. x minus 4x equal plus 16 transforming LHS to RHS minus 15. X minus 4x equal minus 3x equal minus 15. Minus cancel. X equal 15 by 3. 15 by 3. 3 ones, 3 fives. X equal to 5. X means what ma? Mary's present age. Therefore, Mary's present age equal 5 years. Mary's present age equal to 5 years. See ma, let Mary's present age x years. After 15 years, Mary's age equal to 4 times of her present age. X plus 15 equal to 4 into x. X plus 15 equal 4x. X minus 4x equal minus 15. Minus 3x equal minus 15. X equal to 15 by 3. 3 5s. Therefore, Mary's present age equal to 5 years. Next 8th problem, see ma. Aravind has a kiddie bank. Aravind has a kiddie bank. It is full of 1 rupee and 50 paise coins. It is full of 1 rupee and 50 paise coins. It contains 3 times as many 50 paise coins as 1 rupee coins. The total amount of the money in the bank is 35 rupees. How many coins of each kind are there in the bank? Okay, see ma, here Aravind has a kiddie bank. Okay, we don't know number of 50 paise coins. Let the number of 50 paise coins x. Number of 1 rupee coins 3 times. 3 times means 3 into x. See, let the number of 50 paise coins equal to x. Next, the number of 1 rupee coins. 1 rupee coins 3 times. 3 times means 3 into x. 3x. Okay, 3 into x, 3x. Value of 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coins. Value of 1 rupee coins means 3x into 1 equal to 3x rupees. 3x into 1, 3x rupees. Next, value of 50 paise. 50 paise coins. 50 paise coins. See my here rupees, here coin 50 paise. So convert to the rupees. 50 paise means 50 by 100 into x. 50 by 100 into x. 51s, 52s equal to 1 by 2x. 1 by 2x rupees. Okay. Next, total money in the bank 35 rupees. Total money in the bank, in the kiddie bank. Total money in the kiddie bank equal to 35 rupees. Total money in the kiddie bank equal to 35 rupees. Kiddie bank how many types ma? 50 paise coins and 1 rupee coins is there. So total 50 paise coins 1 by 2x means x by 2 plus 3x. X by 2 plus 3x equal to 35 rupees. Okay, LCM 2. X plus 2 3 is 6x equal to 35. X plus 6x, 7x by 2 equal to 35. Now x equal 7x equal 35 into 2. 35 into 2. 7x equal 35 to the 70. X equal to 70 by 7. 7 ones, 7 times equal to 10. X means what ma? Number of 50 paise coins. Therefore, number of 50 paise coins. 50 paise coins equal 10. Number of 1 rupee coins. 1 rupee coins. Okay, 50 paise coins 10. Number of 1 rupee coins 3 into 10. 3 times 30. Okay, number of 1 rupee coins 30. Number of 50 paise coins 10. Okay, once again see ma. 50 paise coins x, 1 rupee coins 3x. Okay, value of 1 rupee coins means 1 into 3x, 3x rupees. Value of 50 paise coins here, paise given. So convert to the rupees. How many rupees in 1 paise? 1 by 100. So 50 by 100 into x. 51s, 52s. 1 by 2x. Total money in the kiddy bank equal 35 rupees. X by 2 plus 3x equal 35. Okay, LCM 2. X plus 6x, 7x by 2 equal 35. 7x equal 35 to 70. X equal 70 by 7 equal to 10. Number of 50 paise coins 10. Number of 1 rupee coins 3 times 30. Okay, this is the 8th problem. Okay, 9th problem see ma. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. If A alone can finish the same work in 20 days, in how many days B alone can finish it? Solution see ma. First A and B together can finish a piece of work. Can finish a piece of work in 12 days. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. The work that can be finished in 1 day by A equal to the work that can be finished in 1 day by A equal to 1 by 12. In 20 days, the work that can be finished in 1 day by A and B 1 by 12. In 20 days, A alone can finish the same work. In 20 days, A alone can finish the same work. The work that can be finished in 1 day by A. In 20 days, A alone can finish the same work. The work that can be finished in 1 day by A equal 1 by 20. 1 by 20. Let B alone can finish the same work in X days. Let B alone can finish the same work in X days. The work that can be finished in 1 day by A, in 1 day by B equal to 1 by X. The work that can be finished in 1 day by B equal to 1 by X. Okay, the work that can be finished in 1 day by B 1 by X. The work that can be finished in 1 day by A 1 by 20 equal to 1 by 12. So according to the problem 1 by 20 plus 1 by x equal 1 by 12. 1 by 20 plus 1 by x equal to 1 by 12. 1 by x equal 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20. 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20. 1 by x equal LCM of 12 and 20. LCM of 12 and 20. 2 6, 2 times. Again 2 table. 2 3s, 2 5s. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. LCM 60. 12 how many times in 60 ma? 5 times. 5 minus 20 3 times. 1 by x equal 5 minus 3 2. 2 by 60. 2 ones 2 30s. 1 by x equal 1 by 30. X equal, therefore x equal to 30. X means what ma? Let B alone can finish the same work in x days means 30 days. Therefore, number of days finish the work by B. Number of days finish the work by B alone equal to 30 days. 30 days. Okay. Once again see ma, A and B together can finish the work in 12 days. The work that can be finished in 1 day by A and B 1 by 12. In 20 days A alone can finish the same work. The work that can be finished in 1 day by A. Let B alone can finish the same work in X days. The work that can be finished 1 day by B 1 by X according to the problem. 1 by 20 plus 1 by X equals 1 by 12. X equal to 30. Number of days finish the work by B alone 30 days. Okay, understood ma? Okay, today's enough. Thank you.